Welcome to AM International, the home of flavors and fragrances. We are located on the main Multan road of Lahore, just adjacent to motorway. We are specialists in development, production and distribution of flavors in both liquid and powder form for food, pharmaceutical and beverage industry. We also develop fragrances that fulfill the requirements of cosmetics, soap, detergents and paint industry. Our sales and marketing team is highly efficient and always remains proactive in the market all the time. They ensure that a strong bond is established between its organization and their respective clients. Our accounts department oversees all the different legislations and accounts matters. Our four brands Magnus, Lumen, Green and Flavor Aroma are being well represented by our sales and marketing team. They are ensuring we keep providing better and differentiated services to our customers. We feel proud to have one of the largest sales networks in the continent.
Appreciation is always a key factor for enhancing the morale of the team members. At AM International, appreciation factor is always given priority and importance. Regular ceremonies are always held on monthly, quarterly, and annual basis to honor the achievements of the outperformers.
Continent. Research is essential for maintaining competitive advantage, and we keep on developing new and better products on everyday basis to help our clients meet their unmet needs. Our research team is fully aware of the changing environment in both local and international market and ensures that they keep developing premium quality products at economic prices. For this purpose, we have established a strong network with all the leading global sources of key chemical manufacturers. Our production department keeps on producing the regular productions so that our in-time production could ease the tensions of all our global clients. At AM International, production tools have been designed to make for maximum efficiency and flexibility. We ensure that quality is maintained at each stage. Tests like pH testing, specific gravity, refractive index, and bricks are carried out for every batch produced to maintain the high quality standards. We have a sound inventory system and we ensure that optimum inventory level is maintained with proper hygienic environment. At our filling section, we take great care so that our standard operating systems are always kept in the mind and properly followed as well. We have a wide range of dry powder flavors available like vanilla, strawberry, lemon, orange, coconut and pineapple. We also have fragrances in dry powder form for both the detergents and soaps. We use different packing materials for flavors and fragrances, and great care is always taken while the selection of packing material. We have a specialized dispatch department which ensures our products are delivered to our respected clients timely in good condition. We have a dedicated sampling section which keeps on dispatching the samples to our respected clients as per the directions of the sales team. We have a wide range of packing available. It varies from 25 ml pack to 175 kg drum pack. We proudly declare ourselves as learning and emerging ethical organization, and with professional attributes we ensure we keep providing quality services in both local and international market.